Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset Emoji Keyboard on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to reset the Emoji Keyboard on your iPhone is go ahead and open the Settings app. Scroll down the Settings page, locate and click on General. Now scroll down General, keep scrolling until you get to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now go ahead and click on Reset. Here, to reset your Emoji Keyboard, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on Reset Dictionary Keyboard. Now, you see that says type in your iPhone passcode, then go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. And that is going to pop another that says this will delete all custom words you've typed on the keyboard, returning the keyboard dictionary to factory default. Go ahead and click on Reset Dictionary. And this is going to reset your Emoji Keyboard on your iPhone. And that's it. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.